Meet Bob. Bob has a deadline in 3 hours. But instead of working, he's binge-watching cat videos. Why? And more importantly, how do we fix it? Your brain has two drivers, the CEO, prefrontal cortex, that plans, and the instant gratification monkey, limbic system, that wants fun now. When you procrastinate, the monkey hijacks your brain. And guess what? Stress is his favorite fuel. Procrastination isn't laziness, it's a dopamine hack. Avoiding work gives quick relief, like junk food for your brain. But the guilt after, that's the panic monster waking up. First, the 2-minute trick your brain resists big tasks. Trick it. I'll just work for 2 minutes. Once started, momentum kicks in. 2. Feed the CEO, reward the monkey in advance. Example. After 1 hour of work, I get 10 minutes of TikTok. 3. Destroy distractions out of sight equals out of mind. Use apps like Forest or Cold Turkey. Next time the monkey takes the wheel, remember, you're the CEO. Now go conquer that to-do list. Which trick will you try? Comment 2-minute or reward below.